some reason I want to keep oversetting that pin. There we go. False set, deep false set. Let's see if we can get this open. There we go. Now, let's try the Avis. I think I need a different tensioner for this one, pardon me. Alright, I always gotta think about it. Alright. Let's see here. Get the kiddos already in a false set here. Got one good click, counter rotation. I think that's an overset there. Let's go back in here, overset. Good click and open. Let's see, this is a Master 532. Oops, wait, I'm supposed to be doing this upside down. I actually don't know if I've done this one yet. Oh boy. See if I can. There we go. Good click, I think. And open. Upside down.